And when he goes, exactly at the same time, Duryodhana would have left for Dwaraka to meet with Sri Krishna. And from here, Arjuna also goes to Dwaraka to meet with Sri Krishna. So while they are trying the peace talks, both parties are also trying to prepare for the war and asking for not help, but for alliances from the other kingdoms around. So both of them go to Dwaraka to ask Sri Krishna to wage the war on their side. So when they go, Sri Krishna was sleeping, and first episode, you'll see, right? Yeah. Very arrogant person. He goes and he chooses to sit on the head near the head side of the Krishna. He was sleeping like this, and he goes and sits there. Arjuna stands at the feet of Krishna because he treats Krishna as a god himself, Vishnu himself, and he is very respectfully, is very humble and standing at the feet of Krishna with folded hands. Krishna wakes up, Krishna opens his eyes, and he sees Arjuna first. And then the Duryodhana says, I came first. Then Krishna says, but I saw Arjuna first. So, but anyways, then Krishna says, both of you are dear to me. When it comes to the relation, you both are my cousins. So I'm going to divide. What? Cousins, right?
Oh, and doesn't he also say that Arjuna is younger than you? So.
I'll come to that. Yeah, he says that also. So now, I'm going to help both of you. I cannot choose to be on one side and not help the other side. And you both almost came at the same time also. So then he says, let us give Krishna, and then he says what he's going to offer. On one side, he offers 10,000 people who are very well trained in warfare, and all of them are called Narayanas. Narayani Sena is what it is called. And he also says that they are so good at the warfare, they are almost as good as me in the warfare. And on the other side, I will be there. I will not touch the weapon. I will only give my love and affection towards the side that I am on.
So that means they are already declaring they are going to be war.
So if peace talks fail, then there is going to be a war. So even today, there will be peace talks going on, but on both the sides, you should also prepare for other possibility, right? The outcome of this diplomacy can be either peace or war. If it is peace, there is nothing. But if it is war, you should also be prepared for the other. So if one side starts preparing, the other side will automatically start preparing. Otherwise, they will become weak. They'll be weaker. So then he also goes on to say, well, let us give this first opportunity to choose to Arjuna, because Arjuna is younger, and naturally the younger one gets first opportunity to choose. Even now it is the same case, right? All the elder siblings. So then Arjuna without any question, without any second thought in his brain, he asks for Sri Krishna. You be on my side. I don't need anything. If you are on my side, there is nothing nothing more that I need from you. And then Duryodhana is very happy. What will I do with love and affection if he's not going to hold the weapon? This Arjuna is out of his mind, and they have some kind of attraction or affinity towards Krishna, which I will never be able to understand, and I will care less about it. Let them deal with Krishna. I will go with, I'm very happy with this Narayani Sena. Then he takes Narayani Sena and he goes back.